The beginning of digital currencies denoted a progressive period in the realm of money. The flexible scope of digital forms of money offers a plenty of benefits to financial backers. The famous cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Wave, Litecoin, and so forth had their own advantage trend to advance. Nonetheless, they're actually prowled a test of openness, straightforwardness, and gigantic exchange charges. Allow us to have a fast look at the ongoing cost and subtleties of BCH and comprehend the Bitcoin money cost expectation for what's in store. This was properly tended to by Bitcoin money's introduction to the world, represented by BCH in mid-2017 by a gathering of designers. They understood that the enormous capability of Bitcoin could be additionally saddled ideally through a hard fork, consequently expanding the block size limit. So on August 1, 2017, BCH started its life. Bitcoin money. The mechanical subtleties. The essential target of Bitcoin money was to resolve the issues concerning rising exchange expenses and debates encompassing versatility in the blockchain, keeping in context shared exchanges as the centralized server and security as the essential purposes. This BCH was ready to work with the expansion in block size from 1 MB to 8 MB, consequently accomplishing a dramatically rapid of exchange process. Bitcoin money BCH cost depends on cryptographic techniques that depend on zero exposure proof and the numerical consistency of the whole blockchain-empowered exchange, which is cross-checked without uncovering any verifiable information or message on the other party engaged with the exchange. Consequently, security deterrents are captured first. A remarkable trait of this convention is that it guarantees liquidity and guarantees lightning-quick speed of additional exchanges on the organization. Bitcoin money. Functionalities of standard reception. Once BCH made its presence felt and noticeable, Ziglu, a London-based computerized bank, chose to subsidize English pounds and numerous digital currencies like BTC, LTC, and presently BCH2. Clients of the advanced bank can now make P2P installments over the organization or different banks inside the UK. A profound entrance into the raw numbers of Bitcoin money has an out-and-out various story to uncover. In spite of having large future outcomes, likewise potential, and commitments of conveying forward a 8 megabytes block size, the token has many motivations to work harder to coordinate to its size opposite its rivals. A significant explanation, consequently, is that the two financial backers and diggers side with the parent Bitcoin. BCH is using pretty much 2.1% of its block limit. Aside from that, the specialized rejig could likewise be expected to bring back the cost sheen. The engineers required a ton of redoing to show greater deftness in rolling out extremist improvements to the undertaking's basics. This could assist with pushing the BCH cost and market cap to new highs. Nonetheless, the value history of Bitcoin money, thinking back, has not been offering too much. It has stayed unstable and emphatically connected with the general market situation. On December 20, 2017, not long after its creation, a solitary Bitcoin money had a worth of more than $4,000 and the cost expanded. It looks astonishing that the coin has begun losing cash quickly and saw today cost drop from that astounding level radically. Retail financial backer records lose cash while exchanging spread wagers and are intricate instruments. In August 2017, mining and opponent coins made this Bitcoin Cash digital money skip to a colossal level. The typical cost expanded with more than a $9 billion market cap. Many began seeing this as a contender instead of a posterity or a hard fork of Bitcoin. However, an ensuing rectification cut statements by practically 30%. In November, the following period of development started. Against the foundation of the arrival of true programming and posting on top trades, the coin began a cost recuperation, making a memorable high of $430 with a market cap being $70 billion. Nonetheless, from the start of this current year, the Bitcoin cost has been making predictable development. The improvement of developments and conventions has a ton to thank at this symbolic cost fly. A few specialized errors were capable throughout the mining and an out-and-out presentation of new programming that went ruin. This is supposed to be answerable for the descending twisting from the BCH at first in 2017 until it dropped to these years. Being quite possibly of the most seasoned player in the digital currency market, Bitcoin money value, the posterity of Bitcoin, has acquired confided in validity among big business organizations. Its convention's genuine applications have additionally covered various significant classifications that venture organizations might actually be keen on. What's more, Bitcoin money's enormous local area of engineers, which deals with the blockchain's convention upgrades, could be considered by big business organizations as an innovative advantage. Bitcoin money expectation has for some time been a panacea for application engineers. Answers for genuine issues like money moves and dispersed finance have been found in view of Bitcoin money. With Bitcoin money showing such a lot of commitment, it has support from all the business crypto world specialists who solidly accept that Bitcoin money, upheld by a major powerful algorithmic science and a steady past presentation, can be wise venture exhortation yet provided that contributed brilliantly with the right cost check. Bitcoin money value expectation 2023 going by concentrating on present moment and long-haul BCH cost drifts, the coin's cost has been deviating from its way ordinarily every 2 or 3 years. In 2023, Bitcoin money is supposed to arrive at the base cost of $112.56 and $273.46 as the greatest cost, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation 2023. There is an anticipated possibility of Bitcoin money causing a slight recuperation. Yet at the year end of 2023, BCH cost will recover its lost force and crosses the $250 mark. There is no such thing as Bitcoin money value forecast 2024 expressing that a stunning chance and that bulls will ride the crypto market. It is normal that Bitcoin money will manage the crypto market with an exhibition cost fixed around $347.50 in the long-term end. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $227.50, with a typical cost of $287.50. Bitcoin money has the maximum capacity to maintain and reliably fill even in unfriendly circumstances. According to our BCH cost expectation, there will be an extraordinary change in the Bitcoin money cost figure when contrasted with the ongoing cost. Bitcoin money value expectation 2025 assuming the BCH cost endures over the extreme long haul and mass reception gets number. It is, definitely, conceivable that Bitcoin money will be essentially more than its record-breaking high in light of our BCH cost forecast. Bitcoin money is said to arrive at the base cost of $300.30 and $458.70 as the greatest cost. That would mean, as per Bitcoin money cost expectation, it would have a typical worth of $379.50 in 2025. Bitcoin money value expectation 2026 in light of our own examination and Bitcoin money cost estimate. The BCH cost forecast for the year 2026 is $590.75. BCH gauge helps in effective money management with flawless timing. Bitcoin money is anticipated to have a base cost of $386.75 and a typical cost of $590.75. Bitcoin money value expectation 2027 as indicated by Bitcoin cash cost forecast. The token is supposed to have least and most extreme costs of around $505.05 and $771.45. Separately, simultaneously, the typical cost of the crypto might be around $638.25 all year long. Bitcoin money value forecast 2028 as indicated by the BCH cost expectations. The symbolic will have least, normal, and greatest costs of around $564.20, $713 and $861.80 individually. Bitcoin money value expectation 2029 taking a gander at the BCH forecasts. The coin will exchange a scope of $641.55 to $979.95, where the previous is the least cost for the year and the last option is the most extreme cost.